Hey there, beautiful people. Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and thought, whoa, when did I turn into a panda? Dark circles, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to say goodbye to those pesky shadows naturally? Stick around because in just 2 minutes, I'll reveal some tried and true remedies to make those dark circles disappear. Let's dive right in. First up, the classic cucumber slices. Cool, refreshing, and oh so soothing. Cucumbers have antioxidants that help reduce puffiness and lighten those under-eye areas. Just pop them in the fridge for a bit, place them on your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes, and voila! Next, let's talk tea. Green or black tea bags. They contain caffeine and antioxidants that shrink blood vessels and reduce fluid retention. Brew 2 tea bags, let them cool in the fridge, and then place them on your eyes for about 10 minutes. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. Aloe Vera gel is another magic potion. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it hydrates the skin and reduces pigmentation. Apply a small amount under your eyes before bed and let it work its magic overnight. For a refreshing twist, crushed mint leaves are fantastic. They contain menthol, which improves blood circulation and soothes the skin. Apply the crushed leaves under your eyes for about 10 minutes and rinse off gently. Lastly, remember to stay hydrated and get enough sleep. Sometimes, the best remedies are the simplest ones: water and rest. And there you have it, natural, easy ways to reduce dark circles and brighten up your eyes. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Drop a comment below on what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the love and those bright eyes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay radiant.